So what is the purpose of today? Today, I want to talk to you about vacuuming. Why? Because so many people come into my office and ask me about vacuuming. Seems silly, but it's like one of those little things that when you're kind of hurting, it really bothers some people. So what I want you to focus on doing is when you are vacuuming, a lot of people with back pain, so what we naturally do is we kind of do this, right? This back and forth motion. That's not ideal, okay? So if you are suffering from back pain, you don't want to move your back and forth and twist with it, with your back muscles and aggravating yourself. In that case, make your arm do the work and let yourself step. We're about to have a visit. So what I want you to do instead is don't focus so much on using your back and let it be all arm movement, and you're going to feel like you're taking a lot more steps than normal, and that is totally fine. That happens and it's okay. So if you're suffering from back problems, that's how to modify your vacuuming so that you can have a clean house still, get your things done, but yet feel good.